Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you guys how to clean your cooking blender on the heated wash cycle. So I just finished making this delicious green goodness smoothie, so you definitely have to check out that video on my channel. And I wanted to show you how to clean this. So all I've done so far is just poured my smoothie out of this blender. You can see it's still dirty. And I've got 3 cups of water. I'm going to pour this into the blender. I did use hot water just so that this will hopefully go a little bit faster. Our our cooking blender it actually has a heating element in here, and so it'll heat the water to 140 degrees. So I'm just trying to get that a little bit of a head start since we're on camera. You just put 1 drop of your dish soap in here, just 1. You don't need more than that. Put your lid on here and then turn this to the heated wash cycle. Whoops, 1 more. Press start and let's see what this water temperature is. So right now it's detecting the water temperature, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So it's going to heat it up to 140 degrees. Once it gets to 140 degrees, it is going to start cleaning the inside of this blender just like a dishwasher. So hang tight and I'll share some more. All right, you guys, we are at 135 degrees. So I'm just waiting for this heated wash cycle to start. So just a couple more degrees, 138. So I want you guys to see what happens. Here we go. So it starts cleaning the inside of the blender. All right, so this is going to be like a 2-minute and 20-second cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and press start, and when it's finished, I'll come back and share some more. So our heated wash cycle is complete, so that's been 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm going to take this off the blender base, and you can see just by looking at this that it's cleaned the inside of this blender. Take the lid off, and the only part that you're going to have to rinse, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit and show you guys, is around the lid. You can rinse that, or you can toss that right in the dishwasher. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to pour this out. Let me move my straw out of the way there. You're going to pour this out into your sink, and then take a washcloth and just wipe the rim on the inside and the outside, just to get anything that maybe was between that lid and the blender. Rinse this out really good, and then all you have to do is dry this off, and it's ready for the next use. So the really cool thing about this is it is truly a heated wash cycle. It heats the water for you just like a dishwasher. All you have to do is add 3 cups of water, 1 drop of dish soap, put the lid on it, put it on the base, set it to heated wash, press start, and just walk away and let it do its thing. So you just dry it off. You don't want to submerge your blender container in water, because this is a smart blender. So this piece here has to talk to this piece here, and if you submerge it in water, it is going to damage it, and it's going to not going to work after that. So you just dry off your blender container, and if you're washing the lid by hand, you could just dry it off. I just tossed it in the dishwasher, but either way is fine. So now your blender is clean. It's ready for the next use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my playlist for the Deluxe cooking blender on my channel. Click subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to go to theflipflopchef.com to join my recipe community. So that's all for now, but I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.